Hi, saya Benjamin Ye, Country Manager Asus Indonesia. I'm in charge of PC business and also smartphone business here in Indonesia. Started with motherboard technology in 1989. Asus revolutionized the computer industry in 2007 with EPC. With ZenBook in 2011, we launched the world's first ultrabook with Intel. And we are also the #1 brand in PC gaming since day one in the industry was born. Our notebook is very well accepted in Indonesia, and we became the most favorite brand in Indonesians' hearts and minds since the end of 2013. As smartphone is a form of small computers, we are bringing our expertise and experience to these devices. Our ambition has always been building the best smartphone in terms of design, quality and performance, and at a heart-touching price. Within our Zenfone lineup, Zenfone Max has been the most anticipated model in this country. The superior battery life is the DNA of the Zenfone Max series. And since 2015, its performance has also been recognized by worldwide media. Even Tom's Guide named it as the smartphone with longest battery life in 2017. In the Max series, we already have our Zenfone Max, Zenfone 3 Max, Zenfone 4 Max, and right now, I'd like you to meet our latest Zenfone Max Pro M1. With Zenfone Max Pro M1, we are excited to share more with our customers. With the latest 14nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, it has 40% better performance than its previous generation. We provide dual bokeh camera to capture more beautiful portrait photos, and we present a stunning display and gaming experience with 6-inch screen, 18:9 Full HD Plus resolution in a 5.5-inch body. We also implement a huge 5000 mAh battery for maximum energy throughout the day. Starting at only 2.299 million rupiah, Zenfone Max Pro M1 is built for mobile gaming and empowering all the gamers in Indonesia. Our objective is to provide nothing but the best to our end users. Zenfone Max Pro M1 is our vision. With this device, young generations from Sabang through Merauke, from Timor to Talaut, can enjoy the incredible luxury of a product that can go beyond their expectation. Zenfone Max Pro M1 untuk Indonesia.